We're heading to Antarctica from the very bottom of South America. Next 2 days, we'll be crossing the Drake Passage. And this isn't fun. This is an unforgiving part of the sea, one of the roughest, like a laundry machine in the ocean, mixing hot and the cold water from the two directions. When you cross the Drake Passage, you come across with these albatross. They are the largest seabirds. Their amazing lives over the open ocean do not resemble any other creatures living on this planet. Their wingspans as wide as 12 feet. They can fly for hours without flapping their wings. Albatross can stay offshore for 6 years without touching the land, and they can live for 40 years or longer. They only return to the land for breeding. This part of the video was taken from the Falkland Islands. To be exact, it was Sanders Island. On this island, we watched many other seabirds, including countless nests of albatross on the cliffs rising from the sea. This is where albatross return from the sea. This is where albatross parenting their young chicks. These chicks will grow up and they too will return to the sea and stay over the sea for the next 4 or 5 years. It is amazing that albatross may have a single partner throughout their entire life.